The world is changing, we all see it. Artificial intelligence is rapidly transforming industries, automating tasks, and reshaping the way we live and work. In this new landscape, where machines are increasingly intelligent, it's easy to wonder what role is left for humans, what makes us indispensable, what will allow us to thrive alongside AI. The answer lies not in competing with machines, but in embracing what makes us uniquely human, our emotional intelligence. In a world increasingly driven by artificial intelligence, emotional intelligence is more crucial than ever. Here's why. It's our ability to understand, manage, and leverage emotions, both our own and those of others, that will become our greatest asset in the age of AI. Emotional intelligence, or EI, allows us to build trust, navigate complexity, and lead with empathy, qualities that no algorithm can replicate. This isn't just about feelings. It's about understanding the human impact of every decision, every interaction, every technological advancement. It's about leading with heart and wisdom in a world that's becoming increasingly reliant on data and logic. We often think of AI as a replacement for human workers, but the future is not about replacement. It's about collaboration. AI can automate tasks, streamline processes, and analyze data at incredible speeds, but it lacks the human touch. It can't understand the nuances of human emotion, the unspoken cues in a conversation, or the emotional undercurrents that drive decision-making. This is where emotional intelligence becomes essential. People with high EI excel at navigating the human side of work. They can read between the lines, interpret emotional cues from colleagues or clients that AI might miss, and respond with empathy and understanding. They can bridge the gap between the data-driven logic of AI and the emotional needs of human beings. In a world where AI is becoming increasingly integrated into teams and workflows, it's the emotionally intelligent individuals who will be able to foster true collaboration, build strong relationships, and create a harmonious and productive work environment. AI gives us incredible power, but with great power comes great responsibility. The decisions we make with the help of AI have far-reaching consequences, impacting individuals, communities, and even entire societies. It's not enough to simply ask, what can AI do? We must also ask, what should AI do, and how can we use it ethically and responsibly? This is where emotional intelligence plays a critical role. Leaders and teams with high EI are better equipped to navigate the ethical complexities of an AI-driven world. They can look beyond the data points and algorithms to consider the human impact of their decisions. They can balance business objectives with ethical considerations, ensuring that AI is used to empower, not exploit. Emotional intelligence helps us to ask the tough questions, challenge our own biases, and make decisions that are not only efficient and effective, but also empathetic and just. It's the moral compass that guides us toward using AI for good. AI is a disruptive force. It's changing the very fabric of our workplaces, our industries, and our lives. While this disruption brings immense opportunity, it also brings uncertainty and change, which can be unsettling for many. Those who can navigate these changes with resilience, adaptability, and a positive outlook will be the ones who thrive in the age of AI. Emotional intelligence is the key to navigating this ever-evolving landscape. Individuals with high EI are more adaptable to change. They can embrace new technologies, learn new skills, and adjust to new ways of working without feeling overwhelmed or threatened. They can maintain their optimism and enthusiasm even in the face of uncertainty. More than that, emotionally intelligent individuals can help others navigate these transitions. They can provide support, encouragement, and understanding to colleagues who may be struggling to adapt. They can lead with empathy, creating a culture of psychological safety where everyone feels supported and empowered to grow. In a world where algorithms are being used to make decisions that impact our lives, trust becomes paramount. When people understand why and how AI is being used, when they feel included in the process, and when they see that their concerns are being heard and addressed, they are more likely to embrace AI and the changes it brings. Emotional intelligence is essential for building this trust. Leaders with high EI can communicate clearly and transparently about how AI is being used within their organizations. They can explain the rationale behind decisions, address concerns with empathy, and ensure that everyone feels informed and involved. Trust is also built through vulnerability. Leaders who are willing to acknowledge the limitations of AI, who are open about the challenges and uncertainties that lie ahead, and who are willing to learn and adapt alongside their teams, are more likely to foster a culture of trust and collaboration. As AI becomes more sophisticated, it's easy to wonder what will set us apart as humans. What will make us irreplaceable in a world where machines can perform tasks faster, more efficiently, and with fewer errors? The answer lies in our humanity, in the qualities that make us uniquely human. It's our empathy, our creativity, our compassion, our ability to connect with one another on a deep and meaningful level. These are the qualities that will become even more valuable in an AI-driven world. Emotional intelligence is the key to unlocking these uniquely human capabilities. As AI takes over repetitive and analytical tasks, it frees us to focus on what we do best: building relationships, solving complex problems, leading with vision, and creating a more humane and equitable future. It's time to embrace our humanity, cultivate our emotional intelligence, and step into our roles as compassionate, collaborative, and deeply human leaders in the age of AI. The future belongs to those who can harness the power of both intelligence and emotion. It belongs to those who can bridge the gap between the digital and the human, who can lead with empathy and wisdom, and who can build a future where technology serves humanity, not the other way around. In an AI-driven world, emotional intelligence isn't just a nice-to-have, it's a must-have. It's the key to unlocking our full potential, navigating the complexities of a rapidly changing world, and creating a future that is both innovative and humane. Stay human, stay emotionally intelligent. The future depends on it. At Oddwise360, like, subscribe, and share to be notified when these videos are published.